Hugo, Park Ranger Hugo, we got a problem. The two dinosaurs, you see the dinosaurs? They need your help. They lost their dinosaur egg.
Oh no!
Oh no, what are we gonna do?
I got it. I can find your head.
And what can you do?
Find the missing egg.
You gonna find the missing egg? Where you gonna find the missing egg? Where could it be? Help the dinosaurs. Where could that dinosaur egg be?
I don't know.
Oh, we gotta go look. Go look in the bushes. Go deep, right? Dinosaur eggs are usually like in the bushes.
It's not in there.
It's not in there. Okay, we gotta keep looking then. Where could it be? Okay, you're not seeing it this way. Maybe we gotta go the other way. This dinosaur egg is really lost, isn't it?
Yeah.
Huh.
It's in there.
Okay, it's not there. Should we go look the other way? Yeah, go look around the other way. Maybe it's on the other side. You think so? Look in the bushes real good though. You're not looking. You gotta be a real explorer. Go check it out. Go.
Here.
Not in there?
On there.
Not in there. Okay, you gotta look around the bushes real good.
I found it.
You found it! Whoa! You found the dinosaur eggs! Will you take it to the dinosaurs?
Yeah.
You found your egg! Whoop! Be careful with the egg, those are breakable. They found the eggs. Should we go open it?
Yeah.
Let's go open it and see what it looks like inside. Let's see the directions. Let's see. Okay, we need to put it in an incubator to make sure it's nice and warm, right?
Yeah.
And it's gonna be nice and warm to make sure they hatch. So should we open it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, we need to open it right here. So.
Mom, we don't want to hatch it.
No. Ooh, okay, let's see.
No
The box
way.
is wait. I got one more.
No way.
Okay, let's see. So on the back, you can see it. It will hatch. Then you can feed it, train, and attack. Click to command. Like what's his name? Always got the clicker, right? Ooh, caution. It says fragile. Whoa.
Direction.
Directions, yeah. Oh, what? We got directions. Oh, wait. Okay.
We don't want to break it.
We don't. We gotta be very careful with the eggs. Let's see. Okay, it says pull. We gotta be really careful so we don't break the egg. Okay, we got it out. Okay,
This is on the
pull.
one. Now,
Okay, we got a twist here. Very heavy packaging. Oh. Do we twist or do we twist?
I can't get this
Hold on.
out.
Let's see. Is that twist? Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Do not cut.
Look at this. Mom, look at this. This is perfect.
It is. Oh, they give you little straw to make a nice spot for it. Man. Okay, the egg is very safe. Okay. Can we get it out now? Oh. Make a little nest for it. You want to make a little nest in the box?
Yeah.
Oh, let's put it in there. Nice and warm. Okay, let's read the directions.
Got it.
You got it? Okay.
I got
Okay.
the egg.
Okay, you got the eggs. Let's begin. Take that out from me.
So,
Man, that's really. Okay, yeah. Oh, it's about to hatch. Hold it real tight. Okay, but no. It's so ready to hatch. You want to put it in the box to hatch, or you want it here to hatch?
here.
Okay, let's see what the direction said. It said we gotta remove. It's moving. There's a dinosaur in there. Let's see how we. Okay. Okay, you gotta tap it 3 times. Tap it. Ooh. Oh.
It's about to
my
hatch.
goodness. It's hatching.
It's hatching.
It's hatching.
It's about to hatch.
Ooh. And is it like really slimy in there, right?
It's hatching.
Ooh. There's a real dinosaur in there. What? Oh, is it getting out? Look, it looks, oh my goodness. Oh, it's, it's a dinosaur. Look at it, it's really hatching. What is that in your hand? Oh, it's sticky. It's like, Hi, little baby T-Rex. Oh, its head is already out.
Take the slime out.
Oh, the slime, yeah. Is it gonna keep? Oh, can you get it? Oh, it's still hatching. Wait for it. Oh, does it need help hatching?
I don't think so.
You don't think? Oh, nice. Is it a nice T-Rex? Oh, that is really slimy. Do you need to help it? Can you? Oh, he's coming. Oh, well, is he done? Oh, should we help him hatch? What do you think?
I got it.
Oh,
Got it.
you got it?
I got it.
Oh, he's ready to come out, I think. Let's check it. Clean him up. Ooh, it's sticky. It's okay, baby T-Rex. It's okay. We're just
okay.
cleaning you up. Ugh.
I don't want slimy.
I know, it's so slimy. Oh, this is very cool.
Mom, I want it.
I know, we gotta help him get out. Okay, I think that's good. We'll take him out. Help him hatch. Okay, 1 sec. Oh, I just don't want to break it, so we're gonna be gentle.
Got this.
Ooh, okay. And
I
yep,
found his tail.
you found his tail. We got a hat. Okay.
Yeah.
We got a. Ooh, T-Rex. Okay, calmly.
Mom.
We might have to put some new batteries. You got. Oh, okay. Maybe you tried the. Oh, yes. You know what you're doing.
Oh, hang on, baby T-Rex.
Woo! You got his tail on? Oh, he might. Oh,
We got him.
what's this?
A turkey.
A turkey? That's not a turkey. That's like a steak, isn't it?
And this is a clicker.
A clicker? Okay, let's see how we can. Okay. It says click to command. You got clicking. Ooh. What does Owen say? What does Owen say with the clicks?
He said yes.
Well, Owen usually says, right? Eyes on me, baby T-Rex.
I know me, baby T-Rex.
Attach tail. Okay, we did that. Motion. Oh, motion response. Okay, click to command. Temperaments. Happy is green eyes, neutral is yellow, angry is red. Pet the head. It says you can pet the head. Whoa, grab tail.
Oh.
It says grab tail.
Grab tail.
What's he do? Oh, he does not like that. He does. He got maybe his eyes angry. Maybe the petting. Can we pet him? That's gonna change his eye. Oh, he likes it. Oh, look, he likes that. His eyes turn green. Oh, he's happy. Did you hear that? Oh, here's a treat, baby T-Rex. He's a treat, baby T-Rex. What do you think? Is it a nice toy? That's a pretty cool toy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a pretty good toy.
Oh.
I think he's done with it.
He's done with that. Feeding time is over. All right.
Look at me. Look at me.
Ooh. That's a cute T-Rex. I like it. That's a cute toy. And there, oh yeah, you have a T-Rex foot, right, to scan for, and then we have some eggs. This is what dinosaur eggs look like. They look very similar to bird eggs, don't they? Yeah. You see the baby dinosaur in there? And then that would be a baby bird. They both have yolk. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.